Welcome to this new section of ELTpedia call. Stop talking and start communicating. Today's topic is how to make a complaint. Has the quality of a service annoying you? Were you dissatisfied with the service but you didn't know what to say? Probably the only thing you've been able to do is go away rambling about the quality of the service and mad at yourself because you couldn't get things right. Well, there are actually many ways you can complain. So, what should you do if you ever find yourself in this kind of situation? It is simple. You should follow these 3 steps to express your dissatisfaction. Remember, they will be very useful for you. First, find out who to complain to. You can choose among complaining face-to-face, sending an email, or calling. When you use any of these, bear in mind that you should be very polite and respectful. But how can you do it? These expressions can be used for that purpose. I'm sorry to have to say this, but I'm sorry, but I would like to make a complaint about. Perhaps there was a misunderstanding, but look at the following example. Here, the woman is complaining about a wrong order. You can see how the conversation flows naturally. You can use modal verbs as well. For example, could you help me with? How can we fix this? The second step is to explain why you are upset, dissatisfied, angry very clearly. You can use expressions such as, I'm sorry to say this, but I'm really or quite upset, angry, or disappointed. There appears to be a problem here. I really want you to understand that. I recommend you to be concise with your petitions, to keep your voice calm, in other words, to control your tone of voice, and to avoid getting angry easily. The third step is to let the person in charge to give you a solution. You should wait for a response. If it is needed, you may reach an agreement. At this point, it is essential for you to know your rights and the options that are open to you. Stand up for them. Be assertive and confident that you know them.